infusion treatments.
Here I am.
Where are you?
I'm at the hospital.
Why are you here?
I'm starting my iron infusion treatment today.
For what? Why do you need iron?
For
What's anemia?
low iron. I have severe low iron, and this is to avoid
Hemoglobin with low red
I
blood
have
cells.
low hemoglobin.
So you're not getting enough oxygen,
I'm not getting enough oxygen. That's correct. Because of my low. And my nurse is here, so pause it.
which can make you
Sorry, my video lost.
which can make you psychotic.
Yes, please pause it.
Okay.
Thank you. Sorry. Oh, I have a lot of choices. Do you want me to take my bracelet off?
Well, yeah, probably so.
Okay, yeah. I grew up
Do it,
hot.
yeah.
And this is warm. Okay. Just to make those want to be excited to come to the party.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You know how to zoom into that section?
Yeah, I'm not gonna film her. I'll just film your hands if that's okay.
Yes, yes. I always ask people. He's like, "Why are you asking?" I'm like, "Cause some people don't want to be recorded." Gosh, it's not that hard to think about it.
I know.
I don't. Most of the time.
Yes.
Well, I'm glad you think so.
I really do.
It's actually been a long time coming. This has been kind of like, trying to figure out what's been going on with her for a
Yeah.
long time, and then the
pretty
doctor
sure this
here
is it.
finally figured it out.
We're pretty sure this is we're pretty sure this is like the base of everything.
Yeah,
Seizure,
and then I saw
everything.
even your vitamin B level was low too, which is also part of the absorption.
Right,
thing.
well, I think I want to go do those B12 things too at
Oh,
the clinic
yeah.
over there.
Yes.
I just waiting to get my paycheck. I just got here and I started working right away. But
Oh.
remember the B12 clinics that we have to go? That's gonna help.
Yes. I think you'll notice differences.
That's good. You were looking into my chart. I like that.
Yeah.
See what
Why
kind of
you were
patient?
here.
Yes, that's
Yes,
awesome.
yeah. What? Okay, you can talk. Those are good things.
Do you primarily just work with the people doing this, or a lot of different things?
As far as just iron or
Or you just infuse people all day long?
different things. You're my second iron today.
Cool.
But we do a lot of things for osteoporosis, the weak bones, and we do
gosh.
blood.
Cancer stuff.
Yeah, I'm not
Whatever.
looking at.
You're not gonna.
No,
you don't
I'm
need
one
to.
of those.
Yeah.
You don't need to ask if we're gonna poke. You just do your thing.
Do
just so
my
you
thing.
know.
Okay. You can talk to them.
Yes.
I'm not even filming her. I'm just focused in on her arm.
You're liking this too much.
He is. Now you don't
He
go
li-
down.
He's an ex paramedic, so
Oh, okay.
nothing bothers him like
Good.
this stuff. Like
Yes.
me, I'm just because I grew up in hospitals doesn't mean I like it. I just know
Right.
the deal.
Yeah.
Don't ask me. Just do what you got to do. I'm okay with it.
Yeah. Good.
Yeah, you medical people are different. Like
Yeah.
your stomach, it's incredible. You're definitely underpaid for sure. Anyone that's in the medical field, I
Well,
think.
most of this, what I do in this department, is pretty much kind of like this, where it's like,
So basic for you.
and I don't feel anything, so it's.
I like the taste of that saline stuff
Do
you
you?
do. I love it. I'm
Yeah.
one of those.
Okay, so that tells me it's.
Do
gone
they have
through
like
you.
a little valve in there now? Because I know you didn't have to block off the vein.
Yes.
They did? They started putting new valves in there?
Yes.
Interesting.
I
Notice
appreciate
everything.
I didn't notice that.
Because otherwise you're making a mess or you're.
Yeah, that's it. That's weird.
Yeah.
That's funny you noticed that.
Well, because I've done a lot of IVs. So I
You're
have
probably
to-
waiting for it to. How's she gonna?
Yeah.
that
Well,
from
I
making a
noticed that you
mess.
didn't hold
All that
hold
white
it.
stuff.
I think this is probably going to be one of your best videos.
Why do you say that?
I I don't know, because it's been descriptive and like kind of just like
Because you're recording
we're
it.
telling a story.
Yes, we are telling a story of how I'm not psycho anymore because I'm not going to be according to you. We were doing research and we were just reading of all the things that can happen when you're anemic. It's like a state, you could be actually feeling in a state of psychosis. And you don't do very well because you're not getting oxygen to your brain the way you should. So you're pretty much crazy, acting crazy. So that's the part where, we've been waiting a lot because we're trying to figure out,
Yes.
there's only so much you could think it's mental health, and most of it's probably going to be this. So
Yeah. Between hormones and electrolyte vitamin levels, those kind of things.
Life changing, huh?
Different, yeah. So this is also just saline. Till I go get your map, but I'm gonna call on you right now, and then we'll get down. And you can get your arm, whatever's comfortable. If it beeps at me, then I will.
Okay.
This is our call button. If you need
Okay.
to holler at me. TV if you want it. Do you want your feet up?
Sure.
Okay, let's do that. Okay, it's yelling. We'll see.
It's already yelling at you.
Yeah, it might not bend too much,
That's okay.
but
I'll leave it like this. I don't mind.
close
Thank
to
you.
there you
Okay,
are.
how are you feeling now?
Okay.
I'm feeling great.
You are. She hasn't started the iron yet.
She hasn't
No,
started the
just
iron yet. It's just saline right now, which I kind of like the taste of saline. I don't know why.
That's weird.
It's very weird.
Okay.
There's the thingy. She gave me a warm blanket. Let me show you. This is my warm blanket.
Yes.
Because she says they know that us anemics are cold all the time.
So that kind of is interesting because you're always cold.
Yes, for a long time I've been very cold.
And you always wanted to live in cold climates and you don't do well in cold.
And we know. But now I can handle it. I'm in Idaho. I'm going to have to learn how to handle it. And I declined the Benadryl because I want to go to CR tonight, celebrate recovery.
And not feel too tired.
And not feel really, what did she say, drowsy? And I might feel a little nauseous.
Anything else you'd like to add before I shut it off?
I'm so thankful that you're vlogging for me. I miss you helping me with my video vlogs. I'm so thankful for you giving me a ride. Thank you for bringing me. I'm so thankful for God putting you in